I'm Brad Samuels, Marketing Manager at Meditek. Over the last 33 years, we've developed a manufacturing process that returns used hospital equipment to as-new condition. Operating room surgical tables are the most common type of equipment we remanufacture, but we also do surgical lights, birthing beds, and stretchers. Most new tables have a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Our remanufactured tables have a 2-year on-site parts and labor warranty.
Thank you for calling Meditek. How may I help you?
Within 2 years, if you have a problem, give us a call and we'll be there to fix it for you, anywhere in Canada. Our restoration process is a 4 to 5 week, 120-hour extensive project which will see a piece of equipment completely taken apart and then rebuilt to as-new condition. When we start, what we're really analyzing is what do we need to do to get the equipment back up to the way it was when it left the factory new.
Would you like me to do a full inspection?
That would be good, yes.
It starts with an evaluation by a technician, and then it moves through a series of 5 steps. Disassembly, painting and refinishing, worn parts are replaced, and we use only the highest quality components. Final assembly and testing, all performed by some of the best technicians in the industry.
I've been remanufacturing surgical tables for Meditek for almost 30 years. Our remanufactured tables are as good as brand new, which is great because the money hospital saves can be used in other areas.
When you purchase remanufactured equipment from Meditek, you know that you're getting top quality equipment restored to OEM standards while saving precious capital dollars and investing in an environmentally responsible solution.